Oh, yeah. What the hell did you do now? Fucking kids.
You got the grill, you got the nice white deal over the top that goes over the, you got that, you got that, you got the bottom piece, the white piece that goes across the bottom, and all that. You got the grill, because I've got frame on that. That stuff is yours. Yeah, take it out, take it down. I wouldn't sell it if you didn't have it, you know. The day you look at the dash, I mean, they come out and soon it's all there. I mean, can you get up there? Oh, anything there is junk. Here, what I was going to say.
Oh yeah. We'll put the doors in the car, and then whatever parts of these dash, whatever of the dash I can fit, I'll buy it for you.
Okay. And if you have it all, if you get it, have it. And I'll tell you what I'll do. When are you leaving? Out there, Saturday or tomorrow?
We leave tomorrow from the show. We're gonna pack what we can in, and we head north for a hotel tonight, and then we pretty much hit the show on our way home.
Tool? What do you need? What do you need? Tools?
Do you have any star heads?
I do.
This one is not all cracked up, so we're hoping to get these dash pieces here. This part, this here, we definitely want.
Hey,
this
Joe,
here, yeah.
find the one you want and then give it to me.
All right.
What transmission is in your truck?
13 Eaton.
Well, we're trying to...
Yeah.
12.5. 95 to 12.5. 12.5.
Rear end or
Transmission 12.5.
oh yeah.
Transmission sheet.
Yeah. That.
The one hanging up, Joe?
Oh, I just need a little. Oh, I need that socket set back, Isaac. Of course. I mean, there's a couple little side or brackets here for the dash that I know I need.
All right.
And I'm afraid if I try to find them,
You won't find
they're
them.
gonna be exactly.
I looked over tar and nails trying to find stuff for this. That's why I own this. I finally went and bought one. Because, buddy, you go to piecing that together, it gets, especially if you go to a junkyard, they know exactly what they have.
Yeah.
The only plus to what you're doing, Joe, with that, this is it was a very popular cab, and there was a lot of them. And a lot of years interchanged.
Yep.
And that's a plus for you.
Dad, do you want that little plastic cover
Yeah.
with the
Thank
vent?
you.
Yep. The nice thing, these clips, like this one here that I'm taking out, is metal, but the next ones that I'm gonna do, this next one I'm gonna do here is not. But I can have someone make them, plastic one out of metal for me.
There you go.
I just need one that's intact.
There you go.
Straight screwdriver.
Yeah.
Or a pry bar for both. Hammer.
Oh boy. You know what? I left it at home.
I got it.
I'm gonna put it in this box, Joe.
Yeah, sounds good. Got a drill with I don't know, half 7/16 drill bit.
760.
Yeah. So I'm trying to get this piece out here. This piece right here in our truck is broke. So I need to get it out so that I can have, I'm gonna try to get one made out of metal. And maybe that one there might be easier to pull off. Might be. So I just realized Leroy's got air ride cab suspension on this thing that I really want, but we don't have impact tools to take them off. So I think I'm gonna try it by hand and see if we can't get the bolts loose. The bolts broke loose. I don't know. I really want them though, because I think at worst case scenario I can just rebuild them and put them on James, our 94 cab over. So let's grab a couple sockets and see what we can do.
They're in the back seat.
Would that be if I pulled the air rides out? Is that that'll just come down to where it's on the frame, right?
It's already there. It ain't going nowhere.
But I'm saying if I took these,
Yeah.
this would just come down to the frame.
Yeah,
And
oh,
that's
yeah.
it, right?
Yeah.
So that'd be.
But you're gonna have a heck of a time getting them off.
Yeah, I know. I gotta try.
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yeah, you're here. But that is. I don't even have a jack to take.
Oh,
See that jack's turned on for your jack up there.
I've got a bottle jack in the back of the car. Well, let's see if I can break these things loose first. Let's start there.
I would say not, but you might. You're stout. You know. Them doggone things have been on there a while, Joe.
Yeah, I know.
But they sure are nice.
This one's turned, but it's turning the nut too.
That's what I was wondering. Them things they're rough.
You got a 3/4 socket? Oh.
How are you out of breath?
I'm old. Shut up.
Hey, Joe.
I got that one real loose.
You want some some blaster spray on there?
Yeah. Can you hold that in there with one hand? Oh, that bolts up to there too. Man. Well, no, that'll come off of there.
You know where the problem's gonna come? That top one is hooked in there. That top deal here, Right where you're at there, Isaac. Right where your head's at. They were hucks in here. They're hucked in.
So I don't need this part. I was figuring we could well jack this up with my bottle jack,
Yeah.
and get the cab up high enough and just take whatever the comes away from the cab.
Okay. There you go. Do you want to spray that a little bit, or you all right down here?
Sure. Yeah. You got some?
Got it?
Well, that should be good. Spray inside of yours. Just a little bit is fine. All right. Put your wrench on the next one that way. All right.
Ow, 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 ow. Can you back up? Thanks.
Good?
Yep.
Ow.
About half going, ain't it? Tough going.
Yeah. We got two of them are broke loose.
That's good.
Yeah, one out.
One's out.
Yep.
Next down.
Down, yep.
Tell me when you get down to where there's only one in there. I'm going to get a block up underneath there so it don't go against the
All right.
sun here a little bit. If it pops a little bit on this side, that wouldn't feel very good.
That's two. All right, last one to break loose. You got it?
Yeah. Ouch.
You good?
Yep, I'm fine. Did you get it?
Yep, it broke loose. Good?
Yeah.
In there.
You on the last one yet?
Yeah. All right, Ike, go in the back of our car and get the bottle jack.
Where is it?
Ain't getting enough flavor.
We're getting it. We got it. Are these work pants? Oh, good. They're work pants.
So you only got one bolt left and you got them both off?
I think we got, all these are loose. I think there's two to take out, and then
Wow.
it'll be.
Just be sure you don't get hurt there, Joe.
Grab me, give me that. Yep.
You want my glasses, my safe glasses?
He's safe, he's swimming.
There you go. Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna put this here. That's not tall enough. All right, so we'll try this. All right, Roland, come on over here. Get you in the.
Oh boy.
Make you a famous star on YouTube of our whole 260 subscribers we got.
There you go.
Everyone, this is Roland. I'll almost say you're officially the first person for us to come get parts for our cab over.
Good deal.
So thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
We got
to see it.
a mess full of parts, way more than I expected to get. As you guys see, this is for the headlight. That got messed up when it was getting delivered. This is for the step. That goes above this ladder that got messed up.
That goes beside that, goes under that.
Yep.
For your insert.
We got some dash parts, if you guys remember from a few episodes ago. This dash part here was all messed up. This one was, I think this one had a big crack out of it. This one was cracked up. This one was cracked up on the sides. There's holes all over it. There's holes all over this one. Big chunk is out of this one on ours here, so we're getting those parts. We're missing a couple, or we're missing one of our visors, so we got both his visors. We got some other miscellaneous parts that on ours are old and kind of cracked, so we're getting those. Check this out.
Gotta have that.
Gotta have, yeah, if you're gonna have cab over, you gotta have the old vintage fan. The old defrost fan, they got them. We got some panel parts for the front dash. And
got your air ride system here for the cab, just for the cab only.
that's the one thing I didn't expect to get were those. I didn't know he had them, and I saw them, and I was gonna stop at nothing getting them. And it cost almost everything to get them. And we had to take 4 bolts out on each one by hand. They were 3/4 inch bolts, but we persevered, we got them, and I'm happy as hell to be able to have those, and we'll rebuild those, and we'll get some air ride on our cab too. So,
He got down here and he was like a 5-year-old boy in a candy store, just.
without a doubt. So again, Roland, thank you so much.
Oh, I'm glad I could be a part of it, yeah.
I just can't thank you enough, man, and there's still more in that truck I wish I kind of could take. But as you guys can see, we're a short room. Oh, and we got the doors too.
Yeah.
We're getting his doors.
And
We already got
another
one in
door.
the car. We're gonna put another one in there with the mirrors. You guys just saw the episode where I was fixing one of the mirror brackets. Don't need that no more. Yeah, we got electric windows on the driver's or the passenger side now.
But you got electric mirrors on both sides.
We already had electric window on the
Heated
passenger.
heated mirrors,
Heated mirrors,
and
yeah.
they're nice mirrors. They're nicer than what we had,
Yep,
so
yep,
that's even better.
Yep.
So, plan is maybe someday our doors will go to the back and we'll turn our cab into a crew cab.
That'd be
That maybe. We'll see about that. That's a few years down the line though. So, but we're gonna get all this loaded up. We're hopefully going to see you guys at Matt's, the Mid-American Truck Show down in Louisville, up in Louisville, because we're south of Louisville now.
You are, yeah, 140 miles. Yeah.
Where are we?
140 miles southeast of Louisville on Lake Cumberland, right on Lake Cumberland, Monticello, Kentucky.
So
these fellas drove about basically 800 miles down here, I guess.
Yep, it was damn near 800 miles. Yeah, I think the GPS said about 14 hours, and we split it up about half and half. So, but yeah, again, Lou, thank you so much, man.
And Isaac, we need to tell you this: Isaac is in NASCAR. He got caught doing a little, what do they call it, drafting or whatever on the car up in Louisville. So.
Yep. So he
That's a really good way to put it.
To keep the air there, isn't he?
Yeah. Yep. He got a little up close and personal with the Kentucky patrol this morning on the way down. So. But all right, well, we're gonna get this stuff loaded up, and we're gonna start heading north and find a hotel for tonight, and
Absolutely.
all Matt's tomorrow.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Hammer, what's your real name?
Whitley.
Whitley?
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
So this is Isaac, my kid. As I refer to the kid.
The kid.
And, yep. So.
Is that the one that got pulled over?
Yep.
Yeah, that's the one that got pulled over.
What
Yep.
happened?
So he was just following too close to someone, and the cop pulled him over. And I was right in the middle of texting the guy that we were getting parts from. And so I wasn't paying attention to what he was doing. He's been driving for what, about a year now, almost.
Yeah.
And so all of a sudden I'm sitting there trying to contact this guy, and he says, "We're getting lit up." I look in the mirror and I see this, and the state trooper riders. I'm like, "Fuck!" He's like, "How fast were you going?" "I don't know what I did." When he comes up right away, he goes, he said, "You're following pretty close to that black truck or whatever. I normally don't give a tickets for this." Right away I was like, "All right, we should be fine." So then when he came back, just gave him a warning. He's like, "So is there anything I can, any questions for me or anything?" And I kind of gave him a smirk, like, "Well, could you help me pull a prank on my wife?" So and he's like, "Okay, sure." He stuttered, he like hesitated, but he said yes. In the cop's defense, I didn't expect to put it on TikTok. I didn't think that far. I'm a man, I don't. And so I got out, took the picture. Well, then I sent it to my wife, and she right away, she said, "You're full of shit."
She already knew.
And so I asked her, I said, "Well, what gave it away?" She says, "If he was getting arrested, your ass would have been still in the seat of the car." I'm like, fuck, that's a good point. I should have took the picture through the mirror. Or like through the window or something like that. And then she would have been freaking out. Yeah. But no, yeah, it was pretty fun.
Awesome. And if you like roll them out, like between your hands around a table, they'll straighten up and everything. And here is, I did this one a little bit more blue to kind of set it off.
Okay.
There's that set and that set.
Perfect.